Reading English books is a great way to learn. Choose books with simple words and pictures to help you understand. Start with short stories and gradually move to longer ones. Look up new words in a dictionary to build your vocabulary. Make it a habit to read for at least 15 minutes every day. Reading opens up a new world of words and ideas, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Learning English vocabulary is important for communication. Start with common words used in daily life. Use flashcards or apps to memorize and practice. Create sentences with new words to understand their meanings better. Repeat words regularly to reinforce your memory. Gradually add more words to your list. Consistent practice helps build a strong vocabulary, making it easier to express yourself in English conversations. School is a special place where I learn new things every day. I have friends and we study different subjects together. In the classroom, there are desks, chairs, and a chalkboard where the teacher writes. We read books, solve math problems, and draw pictures. During break time, we play games in the schoolyard. School is fun because I get to discover and explore many exciting ideas with my classmates and teachers. My favorite flower is the rose. Roses are pretty and smell nice. I like red roses the most because they are bright and beautiful. My mom plants roses in our garden and I help her water them. When they bloom, it makes me happy. I sometimes give my mom a rose and she smiles. Roses are special to me because they remind me of love and joy. Going to the beach is a fantastic experience. The sun shines brightly and the sand feels warm beneath your feet. You can hear the waves crashing against the shore. People build sand castles and play beach games. Some swim in the ocean while others relax under colorful umbrellas. Seashells are scattered along the shoreline, and the salty breeze fills the air. It's a perfect place to enjoy nature, have fun with friends and family, and create wonderful memories. Every morning, I enjoy drinking tea. I like the calm feeling it gives me. I make a cup of hot tea with a tea bag and some water. The aroma is soothing. I sit by the window, sip my tea, and watch the world wake up. It's a peaceful time. The warmth of the tea makes me feel cozy. It's a simple routine, but it starts my day with comfort and happiness. Every day I write in my journal. It's like a friend. I tell everything to. I write about my day, how I feel, and what I hope for. My journal is a special book where my secrets live. Sometimes I draw pictures too. It helps me remember. Writing in my journal is fun and makes me happy. It's like a special story about me that I can read again.